morning everyone. My name is Kesimit. I am studying in 8th standard at KB School. Now I am presenting linear equation with one variable. X minus 9 equals to 12. Equation with one variable and the power of highest degree of the variable is 1 is called linear equation. X power 2 minus 5 equals to 4 minus 4. Equation with one variable and the highest degree of the variable is greater than the one or not linear equation. The highest power of the more x equals to more than 1. Thank you.